have identified further depth positions and use a wing-over manoeuvre to reposition the aircraft in order to bring the 70mm rockets to bear on the enemy.
Gunship cleared hot, tipping in rockets. Gunship rifle.
On recovery from the diving fire profile, delivering a successful rocket strike, Jim reacts dynamically to avoid any ground fire, here conducting a 270-degree wing over. With a further enemy vehicle sighted, the pilot...
Roger, cleared on. Gunship rifle.
Converting speed to height, the pilot once again minimises the threat of ground fire, this time with a rapid climb and bunt, making tracking and predicting the aircraft's flight difficult for an enemy attempting to engage. The bunt sees the aircraft pitch from 90 degrees nose up to 90 degrees nose down at the highest point of the manoeuvre. Speed 120 knots, the aircraft is pitched to 60 degrees nose up and 90 degrees angle of bank. Combining aft side click and pedal inputs, as well as monitoring the power required, the 10-ton helicopter can be flown back over its right shoulder through 360 degrees. A 360-degree hard left flaring turn can be used to wash off exit speed, allowing the aircraft to slow down of rockets, missiles and an external fuel tank. Each rocket launcher houses 19 70mm folding fin rockets, while the missile rounds can hold up to 4 radar or laser-guided Hellfire missiles. These pylons will automatically articulate through 19 degrees to keep the weapons in firing constraints for as long as possible. Both the rockets and missiles can engage targets out to ranges of 8 kilometres, while the powerful M230 30mm cannon mounted underneath the fuselage can fire high explosive rounds out to beyond 4 kilometres, with a cyclic rate of 625 rounds per minute. As you watch Gunship perform sideways laterals, you can see the Apache's impressive hull performance and a representative operational weight. Above the main rotor disc, you'll notice the distinctive shape of the aircraft's fire control radar. The radar is able to scan out to 8 kilometres, detecting over 1,000 targets, prioritising them, and offering the pilot 16 simultaneous firing solutions through the aircraft's weapon processors. Along with target detection and missile guidance, the radar is also capable of mapping the terrain ahead of the aircraft in flight to assist in navigation and terrain avoidance at night or in bad weather. On the nose of the aircraft is the target acquisition. Ladies and gentlemen, the British Army Apache attack helicopter. So that concludes today's demonstration of the Army Air Corps Apache helicopter. So on behalf of the whole team, Major Traherne, Staff Sergeant Balka and Gunship will now perform a customary brow to thank you for your support. They can see you up there, so please do give them a wave or put your hands together to show your appreciation for their efforts today. Ladies and gentlemen, your 2017 Attack Helicopter Display Team. To finish, I'd just like to remind you that you can visit us on social media for more team news and information on upcoming displays. Feel free to share your pictures of the day using hashtag